Hello and welcome to Procurement Ethics module. In this module, we will discuss the ethics definition, the ethical risks that includes bribery, corruption, fraud, human rights, modern slavery, and what code of ethics you need to maintain working as procurement professional. And finally, we have a quick summary of this module. Okay, with this module, we conclude this course, and I hope you gain and learn as much knowledge as possible and become more comfortable dealing with any procurement process or transaction request you receive. So, this code of ethics will lay down the rules and regulations you need to keep in mind while running the procurement process. So, dealing with all these suppliers will brand your company as clean, with integrity and professional. So, people will come to you because they know that you will be objective dealing with them, that you are not corrupted, that you have a clean reputation and image in the market. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.